The blessing came from the above, and is given to everyone. And everyone has responsible to say thank you. Thank you to our source of blessings or our Creator. Masayang kumain kapag ang buong pamilya ay kumain na magsama-sama. Pero mas masaya ang piling ng Diyos kung ikaw ay kumain na nagpapasalamat sa Kanya. But God, He is full of happy if you are not forget to say, give thanks to Him. Dahil Siya ang may-ari sa ating pinagsalusaluhang pagkain.